Welcome to my Learning English channel. Hello friends, I am Vishnu. You are watching my Learning English channel. In this video, I will discuss about pronoun. Some important pronouns are my, your, his, her, their, or its. My name is Vishnu. This is my car. This is my home. He is my brother. They are my childhood friends. Your. Is this your book? Which is your pen? Are they your parents? Is this your luggage? Is she your sister? His name is Om Prakash Tiwari. His daughter name is Anuradha. This car is his. That building is his. His house is next to my house. Her name is Ganga. Her father name is Ramlakhan Yadav. Her house is near the railway station. Her pet name is Janu. That is her car. There. I will go their house. There have many cars. There had many cows. Our institute name is NICT. Our country is largest democracy in the world. Our headmaster name is Rajini. It's not our hand. We should do our homework. It's very cold. It's very hot today. It's raining outside. It's my duty, sir. It's my pleasure. Subscribe to my channel by clicking subscribe button. Click the bell icon to get notified directly for latest uploads. Thank you for watching.